YouTube clips are a game changer for those teaching or uploading tutorials to YouTube. They will allow you to send a portion of a tutorial, that's between 5 and 60 seconds, on a certain subject or explanation, and make that section of the video available to students. So the students don't have to troll all the way through a video to find the information they need. Students will save time getting the instant answer for their needs. The YouTube clip has its own URL. So when the video opens in YouTube, just the portion selected as a YouTube clip is then played. You can name the YouTube clip so that it's more meaningful to the viewer. The name will represent what is in the clip, distinguishing it from the actual title of the whole video. And the cool thing is that YouTube clips can be extracted from any YouTube video being played, not just the ones that you've created, and the link sent to anyone. This means that your viewers will be able to share the clips with their friends and colleagues to potentially get more views and watch time on your videos. And also to ensure that the underlying video is also able to be watched. Once the viewer is playing the YouTube clip, there's a feature called Watch Full Video, and that plays the whole underlying video. As the YouTube clip is created, it's saved to a separate area in your sidebar list, just under the Watch Later. This will, when implemented, show all the clips you've made from your videos and from other YouTube videos. And this in turn is a great place for you to access popular segments, so you can send the URLs directly without having to recreate the clip again. And as a teacher, consider this. Students watching your videos will be able to save segments of your tutorials, just the portions of most interest to them. And they'll be able to return to those later without having to watch all of that tutorial again. You'll also be able to click on the 3-dot menu next to each saved clip and select Share to copy the URL, so you can send it on. YouTube clips have been progressively rolled out since the 29th of January, and the following is a YouTube clip from YouTube's announcement of this upcoming feature. The link is in the description below.
And that's great and all. But with clips, you can actually select between 5 and 60 seconds of that video or that live stream, and it generates its own unique clip URL. This particular section will play on loop directly on the existing watch page. And that's great enough.
And it'll loop through until you press Watch Full Video. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and press the bell.